All right, kindergarten, to get to our How Are You Feeling Today check-in, you are going to click on the picture you see on your slide. Then you're going to go down to this link after you click on the picture, and then it's going to take you to where we're going to check in. So you're going to see this, and you're going to watch this video, and then scroll down and choose which feelings you're having today. Because we always like to check in and see how everyone's feeling, right? Because I want to know if you're feeling happy, sad, hungry, excited, sleepy, grumpy, and you can feel several different ones, right? And then hit submit at the bottom, and I will send it to me, and I will check on all of your feelings for Friday. All right, so remember, click on that picture. It will take you to the form, and then you can choose which ones you want, and then hit submit, and it will send it to me.